A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma rabbana zidna ilman warzuqna fahman waj'alna min ashabil Qur'an waj'alna min ibadikas salihin. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So let's continue, inshallah. Last session we did up to min. So let's review this because there is a little bit confusion here. Okay. So min zaidah is used as a stressor in negation sentence. Okay. It adding a degree to negation sentence. For example, here we have Laisa lahu kitabun. Laisa and kitabun is ism laisa, right? So together they are mubtada. And lahu is muta'alliq bil khabar. So this is normal negation. He doesn't have a book. Neutral. No emphasize. Then we replace laisa with ma. Ma lahu kitabun. It adds 1 degree because ma is a stronger negation than laisa. No, he doesn't have a book. Laisa lahu min kitab. We come back to the sentence laisa lahu kitabun, but this time we add min. Okay. Sister, we have some noise, background noise. If you don't speak, please mute yourself. Thank you. Thank you. So we come back to the first sentence and then we add min. Laisa lahu min kitabin. It adding 2 degree. No, he doesn't have any book. Really? Sister, do we have 2 or 1 degree here?
Laisa lahu min kitabin. I think it's 2 degree.
2 degree? Because min stronger than ma, like that? Because without min here, lahu
he doesn't have any book.
Yeah, I mean, without min, this is just normal, a natural negation without any emphasis. Sister Sarwat, Sister Nur, or Bundaman, what do you say?
Thinking that as far as I know, ma is stronger than Laisa, so it's supposed to be Laisa and then Laisa min and then ma, maybe.
Like that. Okay. Like this, yeah.
Yes, I think so.
This is 1 degree. And then this is 2.
Yes.
Because ma itself has 2 degree. So this means that.
Okay, can you say again, Sister Sarwat? Your voice is not clear.
Okay, sorry. So I was just saying that Ma has 2 degree of stress. So it,
Oh,
yeah, so it seems correct.
this is correct. Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
yeah.
And then ma plus min 3 degree ya. Okay, okay. So, okay, like this. And then as you see here, in the first sentence, kitabun is mubtada together with Laisa. Now, min is added here with kitabin, which make this is jar wa majrur. But in this case, this jar wa majrur still take, role as a mubtada.
Yes.
Yeah. So don't confuse. When you have min zaidah, it doesn't change the role of the majrur. Okay. And then we found in the notes in jumlah ismiyah min zaidah and its majrur become mubtada, and in jumlah fi'liyah min zaidah and its majrur become fa'il fi mahalli rafa. But actually this is incorrect because apparently we found out again that min zaidah can be anything.
Yes.
Mhm,
It can be file and maf'ul.
mhm. Fa'il, maf'ul, also can be mubtada, can be khabar, etc. Okay, let's make few more examples here. In jumlah fi'liyah, let's go to this. To emphasize, you are correct here. So ma with mim to emphasize, we are correct. Okay. This is still jumlah ismiyah. Okay, ma fil baiti rojulun, jumlah fi'liyah. Okay, here we have ma atahum min nadhirin. Yeah. Notice that if we just treat the min as a regular min half jar, the translation will be not, you know, he, because ata is huwa version, he didn't came to them from the Warner.
Yes, doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense, yeah. Okay, so ma atahum min nadhir. Ma ata min nadhirin. What does that mean? No, not even a single foreigner came to you. Here,
To them or you?
oh, sorry, to them, thank you. Home. Okay. So here min nadhir is,
While.
yes, fa'il. Fa'il ya. More example. Ma tasqutu waraqatun.
So why you have written? Okay, you have written file fi mahalli rafa.
Oh ya,
Uh,
fa'il. Fi mahalli rafa. Okay. This is still min waraqatin. This is should be min waraqatin.
Yes, min waraqatin.
And still fa'il ya.
Yes.
Next example. Wama yu'allimani min
Min
ahad.
ahadin.
This one
Maf'ul bihi.
maf'ul bihi. Okay, we can take this example.
This is from Surah Baqarah, right?
Surah Baqarah, yeah, about the
Magic.
yeah Harut wa Marut.
Yes,
What is it?
yes. Yes, Harut, Marut. Yeah. This is for them, yu'allimani. That
Yeah,
they.
yeah.
True.
Wama yu'allimani min ahadin. So and now both of them don't teach any of you. No, anyone from you. What is it? Even a single person. Okay.
Those two don't teach.
Wait. If you say those two, that's become sounds like ism mausul.
Okay.
Allazina.
Both of them.
Yeah. Allazina. Allazani huma. So yeah, it cannot be those of them. And no, both of them don't teach even a single person. Okay. Here. Min ahadin. Take a role as
Maf'ul bihi.
yes. Fi mahalli nasab ya.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. We have Sister Nay here. She is new. Assalamualaikum, sister. Hello.
Hello, talking to me?
No, we have Sister Nay. Nay.
She is muted.
Yeah, you are muted. All right. La yamlikuna qitmiran. Min qitmirin should be. Yeah.
Yes.
Copy paste. This is why I didn't post my notes in the Dream website. Why? Because there is no delete option.
Oh.
Yeah.
But your notes are
common.
very good. I don't think like very
No.
organized. I mean, I think these are minor mistakes.
Yeah, but so many mistakes. So I don't.
No, yours is easier to follow, Hannah, rather than Brother Caesar.
Yes,
Yours
yes.
is easy to follow, yeah. Not complicated.
Yeah, yeah.
Jazakumullah khairan.
Wa iyyakum, alhamdulillah. Taqabbalallahu minna. Ma tasqutu min warqatin, it's still the same.
Yes.
Ma lakum min zawal. Nah, here this is mubtada.
Jumla ismiya?
No, there is no fi'il here.
Yes, it's jumla ismiya.
I want an example where min is the khabar. Wa ma as'alukum alaihi min ajrin in huwa illa dzikr. No. Yeah, there is no as khabar. Anyone have
Sister
example?
Noorayati sent an example in the chat, I think.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
didn't get.
Yeah. Yes.
Wa min ustadin, if I'm not mistaken.
Wait. wa huwa min
Min
ustadin. Mhm.
But I cannot clarify if it's right or not.
So let's translate first. And he is
Not an
a
ustad.
single teacher.
Wa ma hua, then it should be. And he is.
Yes, yes.
It's not ma
Ma
huwa.
huwa.
Okay. And so no.
Doesn't have a meaning of no. Yes, Ma will have.
No, he's
no.
not a. No, he's not even a teacher. It could be.
Yeah. No.
She's not a teacher at all.
Yes, I think that is better.
For
But
that.
single,
said-
it should be single teacher.
Yeah,
No,
or
no,
single or any.
Yes, not.
I
any
think
teacher.
he's not a teacher at all. That looks
Okay.
more
If you want
correct.
to say he is not a teacher at all, then you have to use ma without min. Ma huwa usta. Really? How to say? Oh no, I'm confused.
Let's just try to find
Nice.
another example.
Yeah, it's okay. So let's try. No, he is not a teacher at all. So let's turn it into the simpler sentence. He is a teacher. Huwa,
Wa ustadun.
yeah, ustadun. Huwa ustadun. He is a teacher. He is not a teacher. So Laisa,
Laisa huwa ustadan.
No, don't use a huwa with lesa.
Yes, yes. Laisa ustadan.
yeah, Laisa ustadan, and then he is not a teacher at all.
Ma huwa ustad.
Wa
Yes.
ustadan.
Ustadan. Okay. Yeah, he is not a teacher at all. Okay, we found it. See, whenever we got like a difficult task, go to the very basic.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah, and start from there. So see, we figure out this. Ma huwa ustadan.
We
So
still need min as hotel.
yeah, maybe that can work. Like no, he is not a teacher at all. Oh, I mixed the meaning. Okay. Yeah. Now that makes sense. Oh. When I said a single or any, maybe I meant it as min bayannya. No. No. But now, since we go through step by step like this, now ma huwa min ustadin makes sense. Min ustadin as a khabar. It does make sense now. Isn't it?
Yes.
Hmm.
Ustadin is a khabar.
Yeah. Now let's see again in here. Can min zaidah used with any negation word or only used with ma? I don't see in the Quran that min zaidah is used with any negation word than ma. Wow.
Maybe in the Quran there's only ma and min.
Yeah. Yeah. But this is to understand the concept, yeah, Laisa, with the Laisa. Okay.
Mhm.
You cannot use it with Lisa.
Yeah, the example Ustad gave, yeah, it can be. So min zaidah is translated as even a single, any. See?
Wait, Hannah.
Uh-huh.
Shouldn't it be with ba? It's not min. Laisa B and ma.
Ah,
Oh my God. Right? It's not
yeah.
min.
Ah, how? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Uh, y- but you copied, yes. So you copied it from your notes?
Mhm.
This one, yes, but the translation is
Ah,
any. Min here is any. But
yes,
here,
min is in.
but here, our example here, there is no any or a single. So this is not min here. This is should be ba. Okay. Bi ustazin. Ma huwa bi ustazin, meaning no, he is not a teacher at all. When you said min, then the meaning should be like not a single teacher. Not even a single teacher at all, which is doesn't make sense. In English,
I remember Ustad using mu'min, ma huwa bi mu'minin, something like that.
yeah, bi, right? With
Mm.
ba.
Yeah, yeah, bi.
Min.
Mm.
Okay, so no. Khabar example is
Haven't found it yet.
yeah. Just leave it, inshallah, maybe.
Yeah. Single teacher is not looking correct.
Yeah, so, yeah,
Mhm.
correct. Maybe someone can give us some example later on, inshallah. So we have a few examples more here, alhamdulillah. Anything more about min zaidah? I don't think so. We have covered all in the previous session. So now min bayaniyah, to clarify. I should add here translate as okay. Translated as any or single or even a single. Yeah. Okay. And then min bayaniyah, to clarify. Min bayaniyah here. Translate as kind of, type of. It is a placeholder to express what it says with min zaidah. Oh, so you're using the word kind of, type of as a placeholder. Because just translating min as from, you are not just going to get a word translation. That's not going to make much sense. Okay. Translated as kind of or type of. Okay, see. Oh, no S. It is a placeholder Okay. What more? Often comes with ma syartiyah. A lot in classical Arabic is when you start off with you furnish it further with some clarification. Ma naturally is ambiguous, so it needs clarification. Min bayania is the clarification. Okay. Of what? Often comes.
What is means placeholder? What does it mean?
Maybe Sister Sarwat or can explain because this is English thing, English word. Can you, Sister Sarwat, or maybe another sister?
Instead of. Using as instead of. Placeholder.
What does placeholder mean?
Yeah.
And Bayania is
Okay, Sister Bunda Mun first, please.
Instead of.
Instead of.
Placeholder is something, yes.
Okay. How is it, Sister Sabiha?
yes.
Clear? Okay.
But in place, I mean, Bayania is used in place of some other word.
Can
To
you
explain
please say?
explain something.
To explain something?
I think it'll be easier to explain it with example, Hannah.
Okay. What the example here? Madar Rosani min darsin. Okay, let's see. Madar Rosani min darsin. So without min, it's become darsan because it is smoke only. Oh, darsun, sorry. Wait. Oh, no. That's correct. No. He doesn't taught me a lesson. This is without mean. With mean become min darsin. Any.
If you are using doesn't, then you should not. It's not right. It should be teach.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Teach. Sorry.
You want to say past tense or present? Then make this also past.
He did not teach us. Yeah.
But now it sounds like min zaida, isn't it?
Min zaidah because the ani.
Yes, it sounds like that.
Oh, sorry. The ma is not ma. Sorry. I'm learning too. I'm so sorry. So I translate ma here as ma nafia. But actually here it should be ma syartiyah. Yes.
Okay. Whatever.
And whatever. Yeah. taught me. Whatever lesson he taught me, yeah. That's the
Okay, yes.
correct translation.
Mhm.
Uh, so here, how to explain types of is a placeholder for the lesson. Can someone please to explain?
It's just to describe a place. Like maybe we don't have any like name for it, like maf'ul or mubtada or what. So we just call it placeholder. And there in the placeholder, we use it to clarify the word that related to it.
Mm,
Basically, I mean, okay, this it is clarifying the lesson. Okay, what type of lesson he taught me?
Yes.
Any type. Mhm.
mhm.
Yes.
The type, yeah, something like that. Okay, yeah, something like that. I cannot help in this part because this is English, not, yeah. Now types of, translate as type of placeholder, often comes with ma syartiyah, yeah. So when you see ma in and min, but also here also can ma and min.
So you should
So
figure out what ma is it first.
yeah, your decision will change the translation.
Mhm.
What kind of ma? Yeah. Okay. In example here we have ma asabakum. Whatever may have struck you all.
Mhm.
Ma asabakum min musibatin. Whatever kind of disaster may
Yes.
have struck you all. Whatever disaster. I think here.
This ma is Masha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, ma is ma syartiyah.
Mhm.
Okay. Any more about ma min bayaniyah? Let's
So
see.
grammatically, it's okay to remove min bayaniyah too, right?
Let's see. Which one is it? Isn't it min zaidah, not min bayaniyah?
It is min
Yeah, but
zaida because min
yeah,
bayaniya it is explaining, right? We said it as a placeholder to express what it says. It is basically expressing.
yeah,
Mm,
but in the example,
Conditional
ma
word. Yeah. Yeah.
asobakum and ma asobakum min
Musibat.
musibatin. If you just remove the min musibatin, it will be okay too, isn't it?
no,
No.
the removed part is only min. Meaning
No,
if
it's
you the min, it still makes sense or no?
Okay, I got it.
Mhm. Now in here, if you remove the min, it still makes sense.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Yes.
True. Mhm.
Here the meaning will change. So yeah, we should add the note here.
Can be removed. Yeah.
How to say?
Can be removed.
Yeah.
If it's removed, it would
Won't make any
grammatically
difference.
it would still be okay.
Mm.
How it?
It would still be okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Membayarnya. So yeah, I confused between both mean. So alhamdulillah now it's getting clearer. Let's see if we can find more about Min Bayaniya. If you have any notes, please share so we can add here everything, we can have in one place. And then, yeah, we're explaining Min Bayaniya. Masyartiyah accompanied by Min Bayaniya, it's not a rule. But when you have Masyartiyah, bigger chance, that mean that appear in the same sentence is Min Bayaniya. Okay. So this is the example. Ma asabakum min musibatin. Let's read. Shart is supposed to always be translated in present or future tense, but with ma syartiyah, you can have exception. We are actually going to see some jumlah syartiyah that has happened in the past tense or some that are gonna move to the past tense. You can talk to somebody and say, if that did happen, because you are not sure if it happened. Okay. All min is harf jar, but a harf jar can play several roles. The meaning of the word will come from what kind of role the harf jar is playing. It doesn't change the grammar of it. The fundamental grammar is still jar wa majrur, but it does different things in different parts of speech. So, meaning the translation of min can be different. In min zaidah, you translate it as any or a single. But in min bayaniyah, you translate it as type of, kind of. In regular min, it is just mean from, right? Okay. Ma yaftahullahu linnasi min rahmatin. Whatever type of rahmah Allah might open for mankind. Why jar wa majrur is put in the beginning, linnasi? Because English said so. Sometimes sequence gets messed up between what you see in Arabic and what you see in English. Our job is not to keep the sequence of words the same as the Arabic. Our job is to keep the idea. So meaning, you should translate linnasi in the middle, but here you have it in the end. That's what it's talking about here.
Yeah.
Why the sequence change? Yeah, because our job is not to keep the sequence of words the same as the Arabic. Our job is to keep the idea. Idea is not intact, not in common sense or coherent way until we rearrange intact. So yeah. So you can also translate in this way. Whatever Allah might open for people in terms of any rahmah. So here you put it at the end, just like in the Arabic version. You also add any to it. All of these are okay because you still get the same idea.
True.
But you cannot translate it in this way. Whatever Allah might open for people is a type of rahmah, because then it sounds like complete sentence, while initially shart is incomplete and the jawabu shart will complete it. This is not okay because the idea isn't same anymore. Okay. There is nothing more about min bayaniyah. Inshallah, we will continue tonight. What's time? 11 p.m.
Now,
Because we don't have class with Ustad, right? So it should
Tomorrow?
be Ustad time. Yeah. Tonight, yeah, tomorrow.